up, you guys? It's Bethany from Surplus Two Way Radios. Today we're going to be talking about the process of filling out a repair request form. To start, visit our website at surplusradios.net. Click Forms and Services, and you'll find where to download the form as well as a page explaining more information on the form. Down here you'll find the 3-step repair process as well as the 5-level pricing points that we offer. Once you're comfortable with all the information, you can click here to download the form. To start, fill out your personal information at the top, as well as the repair level you would like based on the information from the previous page, as well as your shipping selection. You can fill out your credit card information here, as well as a signature and date. On the next page, you can fill out the information on your radio, such as the brand, the model number, whether it's under warranty or not, and the serial number, which you can find on the back of your radio when you remove the battery. Next, we'll need to know the accessories sent with your radio and the issue with your radio. We need the same information for all of the radios you've sent to us. Once you're done, you can find our contact information on the bottom of the page. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when we post our next video. Leave a comment or send us a message if you have any questions. Bye!
Radio on.